What does the coconut water from the tender coconut represent? Option A, endocarp. The endocarp is the innermost layer of the fruit's ovary and is part of the seed's protective outer covering. And coconut water is not related to the endocarp. Option B, fleshy mesocarp. So the mesocarp is the middle layer of the fruit, often referred to as the meat of the coconut, and the liquid inside the coconut does not represent this part of the fruit. So B is also incorrect. C, the free nuclear proembryo. So the proembryo refers to the early stage of the embryo development in the seed, and it does not represent the coconut water, which is a part of the endoderm. So that means option C is incorrect. The answer is free nuclear endoderm. So the coconut water is in a form of liquid endosperm, so which is nucleated and has not yet developed into solid tissue. So in tender coconuts, the endosperm is still in its free nuclear state, where it is liquid and contains free nuclei but no cellular structure. So the answer is option D.